Hi, my name's Erin. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Amiibo that goes along with the new Zelda Link's Awakening game. So apparently I didn't really know what Amiibos were, but because I'm kind of new to the Switch, like I haven't had it for that long. So apparently you put it near the Joy-Con when you're playing a game, and it can just like do different things and activate different parts of the games that you otherwise wouldn't be able to access. So I'm also going to be doing an unboxing video of Zelda Link's Awakening as well as a playthrough later on today, because all this stuff just came out today, September 20th, 2019. Super excited. But it actually says on the back of the game, Amiibo, summon the deadly dark link into your chamber dungeons. So I don't know what that means, but we're gonna find out later, and I'll get more into that. So I'm just gonna put that back up there for now. So the Amiibo's super cute. It looks like Link, and like this guy up here, he looks kind of sad, but this one, he looks pretty happy. Well, I don't know, he looks indifferent, I think. So it says on the back, use Amiibo to share and trade custom dungeons with your friends. It's interesting. So it's really cute. It looks so much like Link in his little green outfit and his shield and his sword, his pointy little ears. So yeah, there's like a picture of how you're supposed to put it like near, and then something will happen and you'll see. So yeah, there's the egg, the windfish egg. So what happens when the windfish awakens, we'll never know. I'm actually really excited to do the unboxing of this thing and the game and do the playthrough, because I played the old Link's Awakening game on PC recently, and it was just very like pixelated and hard. So I'm excited to see like literally how beautiful this one is gonna look in comparison. So I guess it's time to open this Amiibo and really check it out. It's so like cute and perfect. I like don't want to ruin the packaging. Maybe I could like easily like slowly open it. Oh, poor Link. His little face is getting ripped off. Ugh. Did you see my thumb come through on the camera? Oh God. I've just had this for like a couple weeks. Like I've been waiting to open it when the new game came, and the new Lite as well, the Nintendo Switch Lite, because it's just so cute. Oh, to like kind of show you what he looks like in here. Oh, his ears are so cute. There's like little like plastic dimples like holding his little ears in. It looks so cute. Oh, Link. He's so cute. Oh, turn him all the way around. You can see. You can kind of see how it like dents in. It's like so cute. It's like such little things, but it's adorable. Okay, let's get him out of this plastic. You're free! He's just been sitting in my office for like 2 weeks, waiting to be released, waiting to be woken. Link's Awakening. This is the real Link's Awakening. Don't worry about anything else. Oh, so cute. There's like a lot of detail too. His little like shield is super cute. It really looks like him. His little face. You can see his face is like ready. I'm ready for anything. He's really cute. So that was pretty interesting, and I'm really interested to see what it does. It said something about bring the dark link into your chamber dungeon or something like that. So should be exciting. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video with the new game in a walkthrough, like a playthrough video as well. So you can watch those and check those out, and let me know what you think.